and welcome to Virginia's Views and Vibes. I'm your host, Ginny Gardner, and today we are visiting again with Janko and Rosella. We visited them before in March when the start of the quarantine pandemic, and we are lucky that they will Zoom back to us today. So here we are Zooming from the United States to Sicily with an awesome travel company. The best things to do in Sicily.com. Go on and find it immediately. Well, not immediately because we're doing the show, after the show, and then learn all about fun things you can do in Sicily. Again, best things to do in Sicily. Welcome, Rosella and Gianna.
Thank you, Jeannie. Hello, everyone. Hello from Sicily. Thank you for this kind presentation. We are so happy to be again with you.
It is. It's so fun, and we're all wearing our Sicilian hats because when you all go to Sicily, you have to do as Sicilians do. There are many things you'll have fun doing, and that's what I want you to talk about. Talk about your best things to do in Sicily, your company, how it got started, and enlighten all of us here, because when this is over and we can get on a plane, my first stop is Sicily.
So it's our pleasure. We are both passionate about Sicily, so this is our opportunity to promote Sicily again.
Yeah.
So actually, our company is named Ramjet Consulting. Best things to do in Sicily is our new website, and it's also our community. We have a big community of people all around the world, in particular from the United States. They follow from the United States. There are many people. Now we have 13,000 people following us. So this is the name. Best thing to do in Sicily. You can follow us on Facebook, on YouTube, and best things to do in Sicily.com is our new website dedicated to the American clients.
That is amazing. You have over 30,000. It's, I personally started watching in March, I think, and it was amazing to see the background then. I know you're 6 hours ahead of us. So we're like 2:45. You're pushing 9:45? No? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 7:45.
It's 20 minutes before 8.
Okay, so that's
20 minutes to 8.
To 8. So it's a 6-hour time change, but the pictures of the backdrop when you do best things to do in Sicily on Facebook are amazing. When I joined, they're absolutely beautiful. You feel like you're there. And to me, people have to go to this because you're actually transported to this beautiful place. And there's so much to talk about what you can do in Sicily and how your group, your tours do this. So let's just put me in a position where I'm going to Sicily. And my family's from Palermo. My last name of my family was Patti, Patti, and Nocera is another one. So what would you then do? I think DePaulo. Does that sound right? DePaulo?
Yeah.
Probably. Yeah. It's a big guess. So tell me what you would do to immediately get me involved in our trip. First step.
I would like, first of all, I would like to share with you a live picture, a live photo. So we are based in a village close to Palermo. We are in Carini. I would like to share with our friends in the world our view.
Oh.
So just to
that would be great.
A live view.
Oh my goodness. I feel transported there. It is home to me. It really is. It's absolutely beautiful. We all
that's the Gulf of Carini. Sorry. And this is the place where we live, where we work. So we are so happy, so lucky, because we can combine a beautiful place to stay, with our passion for Sicily, our passion for the planning of beautiful custom private tours of Sicily. This is what we usually do. We also manage some corporate trips for companies.
And of course, ancestry tours for people like you that have a Sicilian origin.
Yeah, this is now it's a focus for us. It's becoming, I just say, a core business, because we used to make private tours of Sicily, but with family search. So we help people to recover their roots, to find their ancestors' places, to meet their long distance relatives. So it's an opportunity to keep the relation, the connection with the homeland of their ancestor live and strong. So it's a great opportunity, and we love it. So it's exciting for us. It gives the opportunity to spend great time with beautiful people. So, but I would like to start with Sicily, because I think some people don't know Sicily perfectly. So I would like to spend some words.
Can we share some pictures about Sicily?
Yes, that would be wonderful.
Let's start with our presentation.
That's okay.
First of all, we want to say that we help you enjoy unforgettable experiences in Sicily, our beloved island, because as you know, we are two proud native Sicilians. And this is a beautiful picture.
This is Rosella. Actually, the lady.
Yes,
This is Rosella's back.
I'm going to tell everyone it's me.
we made it
a long time ago
in a beautiful cove near Terracini, in the coastline, in the north coastline of Sicily, not so distant from Palermo. This is a secret cove for us because nobody knows it. So if you come to Sicily, we will be very, very proud to show you this beautiful cove. It's a secret place.
And as you can see, the water is so clear here in Sicily.
Let's start from this point. This is so important because American people usually think about the ocean. We don't have any ocean. We have the Mediterranean Sea, and so it's so cold, so relaxing, so safe. You can swim. You can have your snorkeling time without stress. So we look forward to giving you this experience.
Now, what is the water? How is the water warm? It must be, because with the temperatures there, the water is always warm.
We say from
May,
late May to October, it's perfect to swim.
Wow.
It's very, very safe and cold sea, so you can have great opportunity to swim. If you are afraid, like Rosella, there are very safe beaches. There are very safe places to go with your children. You can relax. We have all the ingredients to have a special time.
Beautiful.
And let's discover why visit Sicily.
Yeah, we have summarized about 10 points. So this is the preview. This is Taormina. This is just like I just say one of the best views in the world. Not only in Sicily or in Italy. In Taormina, for example, you can have the view of the beautiful Mediterranean Sea, and you don't know, guys, but that's Mount Etna on the left, on the right of the picture. You can see some smoke. It's not cloud. It's the smoke from the volcano. It's the highest active volcano in Europe. So Sicily is not only beautiful beaches, beautiful coastlines. It's also a land of mountains. We have nature reserves. We have 3 active volcanoes. We have beautiful parks. So in the in the mainland, in the heart of Sicily, you can find different landscape from the coastline. And let's go ahead, Rosella. So the first reason why to visit Sicily, the position. It's very easy to reach Sicily because Sicily is well connected to the entire world. There are many companies who fly to Sicily. We have also a direct flight from the United States. From May 2021, there will be a direct flight from New York to Palermo, the capital.
Really?
Yeah, that's a great opportunity. Yeah.
Oh my gosh, that's amazing.
Yeah.
That is fantastic. I want to repeat that.
Sorry.
I'm going to repeat that. Starting in 2021.
Yeah.
Direct flight.
May 2021.
Yes, it would be started this year, but because of the virus.
Because of the virus, they stopped the flights. But they should begin in 2020.
Yes, this May.
So
now, is it Alitalia? What airlines?
No, United Airlines.
Yeah.
United, direct from New York, May 20. That is fabulous.
Actually, it's not New York JFK. It's Newark, so in New Jersey, the second airport. But even if you don't find any direct flight, don't be afraid. Don't worry, because you can easily fly to Italy, to Rome, or to Milan, in particular to Rome, and then you have about 15 different flights from Rome to Sicily every day. Yeah. So it's very, very easy. Just consider 1 hour and 20 minutes from Rome to Sicily. So it's very, very easy. Sicily, as you can see, is in the center of the Mediterranean Sea, is the largest, the biggest island in the Mediterranean Sea. It's the biggest region in Italy. And so it's not a small island. This is the first thing you have to know. Sicily is a complex destination, and now we will show you why. Let's go ahead, Rosella. So, if you love archaeology, if you love heritage, just consider that Sicily has the 30%, more than the 30% of the UNESCO sites in Italy. So Italy boasts about 50 or 51 different UNESCO sites, and Italy boasts 17, so more than the 30%. And we have a millenary tradition. We had many dominations during the last centuries. So we had the ancient Greeks, Phoenicians, Romans, the Spaniards. We have the French, we have the Germans. Everybody came to Sicily, and everybody left something amazing. You have the evidences of these dominations.
That's the reason why Sicily is so rich. It's a melting pot.
Yeah. And you have the same richness in the culinary tradition. Our culinary tradition is the result of this domination, because I forgot to mention the Arabs. Arabs left.
The Arabs, yes.
Our food, our recipes come from the Arab domination. The ice cream, for example, the almond pastries. But this is another point.
Yeah.
We go ahead.
This is a suggestion.
Yeah. Please, every time I forget to mention. This is the Temple of Segesta in the province of Trapani. That's between Palermo and Trapani in the west side of Sicily. It's a Greek temple. Then we go ahead. Sorry.
Wow.
You have, as I said, you have not only beaches, you have beautiful nature parks. You have the Mount Etna, that's the highest active volcano in Europe, about 10,000 feet above sea level. That's Rosella.
Again.
Can I ask you, can you hike near Mount Etna?
Yeah, sure. So
It's a
Mount
live
Etna, for
volcano.
example, is one of the most interesting tourist attraction. It's for everyone. You have the most difficult hiking tours or the most or the easiest. This is one of the easiest. We are not on the top of the volcano. We are about 2,000 meters, so it's about 6,000 feet, and they are a cluster, a series of some extinguished craters. You can walk on the edge of the craters. It's very safe, very exciting.
Yes,
and,
this is an amazing
and
experience.
this is so easy.
Wow.
Of course, there are many other kind of excursions, but this is one of the easiest. And then, as I said, we have an ancient culinary tradition. In our tours of Sicily, we used to include many culinary lessons, cooking classes. So you have many opportunities to meet authentic housewives, not only professional chefs, but authentic housewives who will teach you the best Sicilian recipes. So many opportunities to enjoy the best Sicilian food from the point of view of true Sicilian. This is our philosophy.
And maybe this is one of the most important reasons to visit Sicily, the food.
You know what? You make a great point, because people think of Italian food as spaghetti and meatballs, and that is not true.
You're right.
Being Sicilian, I remember my grandmother cooking, and their food was not spaghetti and meatballs. They had the most amazing artichoke, the fish, rice dishes. I think that you mentioned more of the Arab culture. We had a lot of that. Talk a little bit about the fish, I guess, because they had fish quite a bit. It was, as you know, Feast of the Seven Fish was always Christmas Eve. Talk a little bit about that. You do a class, or you do you just visit and you eat?
Everything. Both.
Wow.
So we have many opportunities. I would like to say something about the ingredients, the key elements of the Sicilian cuisine. So you mentioned the fish. Fish, of course, is a key element. But I would like to say to all friends who are vegans, vegetarians, Sicilian cuisine is based on the most, delicious, on the excellent vegetables. In particular, I would say zucchini. I would say
the queen, the eggplant.
The eggplant is the queen of the Sicilian cuisine. We have many dishes based on vegetables. So if you are vegetarian, don't worry. In Sicily, you have many opportunities. Of course, we have also excellent meat. The sausage from Caccamo, for example. We have an excellent variety of fish, of seafood. But if you are vegetarians, you are in good hands.
And also the wine, Gianca, is so important. And the Etna wine is so rich.
Not only the Etna wine. Etna wine, of course, is excellent because of the soil, the volcanic soil. But if you go to the western point of Sicily, you have the area of Trapani is very rich in excellent wine, in fine wines. Also the area of Ragusa, also the Aeolian Islands, the Malvasia, the fortified wine, just like a liquor. You have many opportunities.
And of course, if you are a wine lover, we can include in your tour a wine experience, such as
at least one. We used to include a wine tasting in Marsala. You know, Marsala is so popular in the world because of the Marsala wine. But also on Mount Etna, there are many beautiful wineries on the slopes of the volcano. Also in Syracuse, also in Ragusa. So if you love the wine, you will be satisfied.
George is already packing his suitcase to go and see the one he's packed.
We look forward. So, one more element.
This is Ortigia.
One more element to choose Sicily.
Wow.
So, this is important, very important. We have safe cities. We have safe, I say, on town, on places, I do say, base point, on bases. So it's not only important where you go, it's important where you stay, because Sicily is not so easy. So you have to plan the organization of the trip very well. So it's important to choose where you stay. In many cases, the home bases are the same places to visit. So in this picture, in this photo, you can see Ortigia. Ortigia is the city center of Syracuse. Then we have Palermo, then we have Catania, then we have Taormina. They are all beautiful places to visit, but also places to stay. Because I say, when you come back during the day trip with us, then you have time to relax. You can stroll, you can go shopping, you can have your dinner on your own. You don't have to take a taxi, a cab. You are independent, because they are all pedestrian and they are safe. This is so important.
That is important. That is just beautiful.
Yes, and of course, Sicilian people are so friendly, like us.
like Rosella, right, Rosella?
Not like you. You're right.
No, I'm rude. Out of the joke, you will enjoy the vibrant nightlife if you stay in those places. So it's so important. It's so strategic to choose the best places to stay. I don't recommend anyone to choose a place in the middle of nowhere, because of course you will relax, but you have no opportunities during the evening, during the night. So be careful when you choose the place to stay in Sicily. Of course, the climate is one of the reasons why Sicily is one of the best tourist attractions in the world, because you can enjoy Sicily almost all year round, from late March to November. It's very good to visit Sicily. December, January, and February could be a little bit cold, but guys, you never know, because the climate is crazy everywhere. We had a beautiful February this year before the lockdown. We had a couple of private tours, and we were so happy because I don't know in Fahrenheit, but it was so nice to stroll, not cold at all. This is Favignana Beach. This is one of the best beaches. Actually, it's a cove, not a beach. This is an archipelago in front of Trapani, in the westernmost point of Sicily. Very easy to reach. After 1 hour, 40-minute navigation, you can reach this beautiful island.
That is beautiful.
Of course, wow. This is connected to what I was saying about the places to stay. We have a lot of beautiful, outstanding hotels, high-quality hotels and resorts, and they are located close to the most important attractions. If you have a short time and you want to break up the driving time as much as possible, many hotels are close to the international airports. In this case, for example, it's so important for the corporate clients. We also plan corporate trips, corporate meetings, and they have no time, so they have to concentrate everything in a short time frame. So this is so important. Would you like to say something about the hotels? So we have how do you say, the gap is so huge. we start from the
cheapest,
from the 3 stars
yeah,
to the most luxurious 5-star hotels, and we have also villas, so private accommodations. To each one his own. We have many opportunities. This is another beautiful photo. This is the ancient theater in Taormina, the Greek theater in Taormina. As you can see, there is the same view as before. You can see the Mediterranean, the Bay of Naxos, and Mount Etna in front of you.
That is beautiful.
This wants show you that we have many locations to enjoy beautiful concerts, beautiful performance. I saw, for example, in this theater, I saw Bocelli. We saw. I don't know if you know Eddie Vedder from Pearl Jam. Is an American band. I saw Eddie Vedder, Mr. Eddie Vedder singing there.
Also the Pink Floyd, which is
Pink Floyd drummer Nick Mason. So a lot of international stars used to perform there. And this is one of the several beautiful ancient theater. Also Segesta. Also we have many opportunities, and so. We go ahead. If you like
I love that
shopping.
Story. I love that story. We have about 4 minutes left, but I want to say I'm going to put it up on my website and on my Facebook page. But you're on YouTube, the Best of Sicily, and roundtripconsulting.com. Also,
best things to do in Sicily. Yeah.
Best things to do in Sicily. Also, roundtripconsulting.com. You will see this on my show page, Virginia's Views and Vibes, on Facebook as well. And this is, I hope we don't run out of time, but if you can quickly tell the story about the pottery.
There are many legends. Many legends behind this beautiful couple. It's a dark story. It's a
That's okay. You know
story.
what? You can, well, you know what? There's only a couple of minutes up. We won't tell the story. When people go to Sicily, you can tell them the story. But there's lots of shops where you can buy ceramics.
Yeah, sure.
Yes, and learn the legend behind this this couple, which is a beautiful story. So go ahead, and then I'm going to watch for the time because I don't want to be cut off, but I want to thank you. Again,
They are the Moorish-head. If you come to Sicily, you will have many opportunities to buy the Moorish-heads from Caltagirone, that most important pottery school in Sicily.
That is beautiful.
This is dedicated to the corporate clients, but also to people who want experiencing something dynamic. So you can enjoy team building activities, but also leisure activities such as boat tours, such as hiking on the volcanoes. So we have many possibilities.
Okay.
And we have many spectacular locations. So
that's right. We have to wrap up now. But these are beautiful. Keep showing these. We're going to wrap up. And again, get to Sicily. Make it #1 on your travel list. Go to roundtripconsulting.com. Check my webpage for information and enjoy your trip to Sicily. And ciao and kisses from Wayland to Sicily. And thank you so much. We'll do this again.
Thank you so much.
Again. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hugs and kisses from Sicily.
Ciao.
Ciao.
We look forward to hosting you guys.
Cheers.
Ciao.